Hello and welcome to A Voice Clip to Teach English 5.
Good morning everyone and welcome to the brand new week of our discussion in English. And today is Monday and I know that you are all excited to learn from our lessons. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Imagine, we just started last September 13, pero ngayon tingnan nyo, we are already on our third week and I know that you have learned a lot. And now, because it's a brand new week, we have a brand new lesson that we're going to discuss. And again, I am here to help you understanding the lesson and to help you also in answering your worksheets. Okay? So I hope you all have eaten your breakfast and you are all ready. Alright. And as usual, as we begin our lesson, I want you to have your worksheets with you as well as your modules so that you can follow whatever I'm saying today in this voice clip. And before we continue, I'd like to thank all of you, my dear pupils and the parents who have already sent their positive feedbacks about this voice clip to teach. Talaga pong nakakataba ng puso and really inspiring. Kaya po talagang magpapatuloy ako to help your kids, to help our pupils learn the lessons both in English and science. Once again, thank you so much po. Okay, let's begin. To start with, I want you to look at your answer sheets and read the two sentences that I have printed there. Tingnan natin. So for letter A, the pitcher had a good game yesterday. And for letter B, we have Alan asked for a pitcher of water. So class, what have you noticed? What is the common word for the two sentences? Can you guess it? Alright, so we have the word pitcher that is present in both sentence letter A and sentence letter B. However, even if they have the same word for the two sentences, definitely the two of them have different meanings. Okay, so hindi porket nakita nyo picture yung nandun sa letter A and sa letter B, they have the same meaning. No. Obviously, the two of them, the two sentences, have different meanings. And to find out which meaning is appropriate to use, that is where the role of context clues come into play. So kaya ang topic natin for this morning is context clues. Okay class, di ba if we want to, for example, we are reading and we happen to encounter an unfamiliar word or isang salita na ngayon lang natin nabasa. Commonly, we get our dictionary, di ba? If we want to get the meaning of that unfamiliar word, kukuha pa tayo ng dictionary and look for the meaning of it. But the question is, what if you don't have a dictionary? And it's also a hassle if we will always bring a dictionary with us. Lalo na pag malaki yung dictionary natin, di ba, mabigat. So, para malaman yung meaning ng unfamiliar word, we will use context clues to help us find its meaning. Nagets nyo ko, class? Okay, very good. So, let us define now what are context clues. I am inviting you to look at your answer sheets and let's read this part all together. Context clues that are embedded in a sentence or text help you in comprehending the meaning it expresses. Through context clues, words are associated to get the meaning of the unfamiliar text or the whole statement. Meaning to say, when you say context clues, you have to understand the sentence very carefully because the meaning of the unfamiliar word is already within the sentence. Ibig sabihin, malalaman nyo ang meaning ng unfamiliar word na yon if you will read carefully the whole sentence. Why? Because within the sentence, it is where you find the clues para doon sa ibig sabihin ng unfamiliar word na yon. Did you get me, class? Okay, very good. So that means you don't have to get your dictionary anymore because you will find the meaning, you will know the meaning of the unfamiliar word within the sentence. The secret is just read carefully and understand the entire sentence. Because again, I will say, that is where you will find the meaning of that unfamiliar word. Nagets niyo ko? Okay. Sige, let's go back now to our previous sentences. Let us again read. For letter A, the pitcher had a good game yesterday. And for letter B, Alan asked for a pitcher of water. Again, I told you already that the common word for these two sentences is pitcher. Now, if we are going to use context clues, the pitcher in sentence A refers to a baseball player. Okay? So, the word pitcher there refers to a baseball player. While pitcher on sentence B refers to a container that holds water. Naget nyo? Okay. How did we know its difference? Paano natin nalaman? Okay. So, the word pitcher in letter A means a baseball player, while the pitcher in letter B is a container that holds water. So, paano po nalaman yun? By looking at the clues found on the sentences. Tingnan nga natin. Let's play as investigators. Ayan. So, for letter A, the word or the clue that is given to us is the word game. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Going back to sentence A. The pitcher had a good game yesterday. So, the clue that gives us the meaning of the word pitcher is game. Nakuha nyo? While for letter B, the clue word is water. Alan asked for a pitcher of water. Therefore, again, the meaning of the word pitcher for letter A refers to a baseball player, while pitcher in letter B refers to a container of water. Nakuha nyo? So, ulitin ko ulit. For you to be able to get the meaning of the unfamiliar word in a sentence, you have to look for context clues. Alright? I hope that this short discussion will help you in answering learning task number 2 and learning task number 3. Okay. For the instructions given for learning task, it says, infer the meaning or equivalent of the underlined word in each statement. So you don't have to write your answers in your notebook. Instead, write it down on your answer sheets. Letters only. Alright? So let's try this number 1. Leandro is an alumnus of this school. He graduated in 2019. The choices are A, graduate, B, student, C, teacher, D, principal. This one is very easy. So the underlined word or the unfamiliar word in the sentence is alumnus. Again, let us look for the clues. The clues are school, and the other one is graduated in 2019. Therefore, the correct answer is, okay, so write down the letters or the letter of the correct answer for number 1. Binigay ko na sa inyo yung clue. The clue for number 1 again the clues are school, and graduated in 2019. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? I hope you got it right. And for the rest of the numbers 2 hanggang 5 for learning task number 2 and learning task number 3 from numbers 1 to 10 are for you to answer. Okay? Basta if you have questions or there are areas that are still unclear to you, feel free to message me on our GC. And I will try my best to answer you. Okay? So, we will continue our discussion next meeting on Wednesday regarding context clues. Okay, mag-alala. Maraming pa tayong i-discuss. You will still learn a lot from our new topic. Okay? So again, class, thank you so much for taking time listening to our voice clip to teach for this day and for the topic context clues for English 5. Once again, this is Sir Dex saying good morning and have a blessed day. Thank you.